Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Today morning, we circulated one poster in all our social media platforms. The content of that circular is please don't buy our online classes until further announcement. So now I am coming up with the announcement video related to this poster. Yes. So without wasting our time, directly we can discuss what is that announcement and all the things also we can discuss. Definitely this announcement will be useful for that every CMA final and inter students who are going to write their examinations in June as well as December 2026. Sir, what is that announcement? Yes, we are going to announce the flash sale. Yes, if you want to purchase our online classes today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So today is 21, tomorrow is 22, day after tomorrow 23. Don't buy any classes. You can purchase these classes within this flash sale. So flash sale times will be, yes, date 24th March and timings will be 2 to 4. In this slot, if you purchase the classes, you will get more discount and you can save some amount of money easily. Sir, what is the reason for announcing the flash sale? With the help of our faculties, with the help of our staff, we are going to launch this flash sale. Remember, on this day, yes, you will get the classes with a more discount. The reason for announcing the flash sale is simple. The day, that is March 24, is my birthday. Yes, that is only the reason we are going to announce this flash sale. Sir, can you tell me what is the discount? Regularly from starting onwards, we are going to give the maximum 20% discount on the whatever the course prices we have. But now in this sale, we are going to announce flat 50% on all our online, remember, all on our online courses. So in CMA final, you can purchase regular classes also with the 9 months validity with the 1.5 views. EO batch classes also you can purchase with this offer 4 months validity and 1.5 views. Yes, you can purchase revision exams also. Single group, both groups also you can purchase. Coming to cmainter also the same. Regular batches also you can purchase. EO batches also you can purchase. And the revision exams also you can purchase. Remember, the only on classes you will get an offer, not on books. If you want to purchase the books price will be as usual. Yes, there is no discount on books. So what is a coupon code you can use? Yes, sir. So happy birthday, that is HBD, Bhaskar sir, 50% you can apply. That is an automatically you will get the coupon code in our website. Easily you can update on it while purchasing the courses. Sir, from where we can purchase the classes? www.shikharatutorials.in. If you want to get any further details, you can contact with this number. Yes, you can contact with this number if you want to get any further details. Now I will tell you, sir, during our normal days, the courses price will be under. With the flash sale, you will get a flat 50% discount. One more information. So I think others, before announcing their discount, they can change their original prices, but we didn't do that. So you can check our website. I think many of you are following our website and our classes also, that before also the same prices, now with the flash sale also the same prices. On the same price, we are going to give the 50% discount flat. So not only on regular classes final, on EO also, on revision exams also. So whatever the normal price is there, that will be reduced to 50% directly. And CMA inter classes also, regular also, EO batches also, the revision exams also. You can get flat 50%. It is a limited time, that too, yes, only for 2 hours on March 24th. And sir, many are asking the one more doubt, sir. You are offering the classes with the 50% of your quoted price. So in these courses, if I purchased, will I get books? Yes, whatever that books are we are going to distribute, the same books you will get it out. And one more, sir, both the groups, if you want to purchase CMA final December as well as June 26, you will get it out for 27,500 only. Group wise, just 15,000 regular classes, remember. Yes, subject wise, yes, at a 4,000 to 4,500 you will get. And EO classes, both groups 14,000, 8 subjects, 14,000 including books. And group wise 7,500, subject wise just 2,000 to 2,250. Yes, subject wise 2,000 to 2,250 if these are EVO classes. Next, revision exams 3,500, 2,500, that is both groups 3,500, single group 2,500. CMA Inter also the same. That means now if you are going to purchase the classes, hold for today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then after on 24th in between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. you can purchase our classes directly. If you have any doubts, yes, you can contact with this number. Yes, no need to contact with these numbers, directly you can purchase by using our website on this time, on this date. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best for your upcoming examinations.